Hello, today I'm introducing our smoky chicken roast. Let's begin. For the marination, first we have to take the medium sized chicken pieces, which is perfect for the dish. Now add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, salt, half teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and half piece lemon juice, and quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now mix everything nicely and keep the marinade for at least 30 minutes so that the chicken pieces will get more soft and juicy. Our next step for cooking: place a pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. After that, add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Next, add 1 medium sized chopped onion. Saute it till it gets soft. Next, we are going to add 1 small tomato chop. Again, saute until it gets soft. Then 1 green chili slices, 1 tablespoon of Kashmir chili, then half tablespoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix all the masalas very well. And now we are adding our marinated chicken. Mix well until all the masalas got over the chicken very well. Now add a little bit of water to make our gravy little loose. And finally add 1 teaspoon of fresh cream. And this will give a slight creamy taste to our chicken roast. Now cover and cook on medium flame. Once the water dries up, roast the chicken well on low flame until it turns aromatic. Now finally we are adding some cashews and curry leaf, which gives a rich texture and enhances its taste. See, our perfect chicken roast is ready now. Moving on to our final stage, smoky magic. It's a simple. Take a kadai and place a banana leaf, which is completely optional. Add all the chicken roasted pieces and place this hot charcoal piece in a bowl. Now add few drops of ghee and quickly cover the pan. Let the smoke infuse for 1 minute minimum. Now open the lid and it's wow! Our smoky chicken roast is ready. And this will make you hungry in just 5 seconds.